we go. We're too late for the lady slippers, I think, but we'll still find a bunch of flowers here. We usually come multiple times a year. This is the path. Here's the garden highlights for today. Looks like cardinal flower, wild bergamot, flat-topped aster, gray-headed coneflower, and mushrooms, obviously. They're everywhere. All this rain. Look how beautiful that is. All these purple and yellow flowers. Oh, this tree looks like it's about to start blooming, or weird.
There's a huge spider.
Oh, I didn't even see these cone flowers. There's so many. Oh wow, look at all these. Although there are a lot of bees. Woo! Try not to disturb the bees. Yeah, you can see he's full. He's got so much hanging off of him. Oh, there he goes. There's just so many bees. This is where all the pretty flowers are, but I don't want to get in there. Oh my gosh, there's no way we wouldn't knock somebody off. I think we'll choose a clearer path. Does that one look better?
Oh, we're still in.
Look at this peaceful prairie filled with flowers. So many. Meanwhile, you hear the stupid sirens in the background ruining my serenity. God, this is amazing. Holy smokes, that's probably the biggest bee I've seen in my entire life. Where is he? Oh my gosh, he's literally humongous. Like, look at my hand size compared to how big that bee is. Woo! Okay.
Oh my god, there's so many of those big.
Deciding which way to go, but I feel like this is the way. Uh-oh, right or left? Say we go to the left because I see fence over there. It's probably the end. Oofda. Oh, there's a robin.
Just keep doing this. My arms are gonna create heat, but my arms will also create.
Fanning yourself off.
Whoa, look at me. I like the Pokemon.